Student, it is the fourth chapter, Flying Together, first lecture. Here I am going to tell the summary of that poem and that story, Flying Together. Okay, it is a very interesting and uh, thoughtful story. Okay, the story is of a flock of geese living together in the trees. Means there are so many flock of geese are there and they live on the tree. One day the wisest geese of the flock saw a vine is growing on the branch of the trees. When you read the story, you will get कि they are means one old person, wisest geese are there, and when he saw a vine is growing on the branches of the tree, he was worried about that. Ki now that vine is harmful for them. He told other groups members about it and told them to remove the vine in its early. He suggested them कि now remove this vine from that trees, otherwise it will create problem for us. Then he told, because if the vine grew big, the hunter will spot them and catch them. Means he given suggestion कि now the vine grew big and the hunter can be come up and he spot them and catch them. All the others ignored him because he is old. So all the others ignored him and didn't listen. He avoided his words. One day the human spotted the vine and set a net trap to capture all the geese. One day, that day, what he has told, कि now that vine can be created problem for us. That time they ignored. Now same things will happen. The human spotted the vine and they set a net trap to the capture all the geese. Next morning, the geese didn't realize that they are trapped. Okay, the human trapped all the geese. After realizing the all regret for not listening to the wisest geese. Now they realize their faults. The wisest geese thought of a plan. Now only the wisest geese thought a plan. He told all others members to play dead. Means he told कि now pretend like a dead person, dead things when the hunters arrives, so that the hunters would throw them on the ground. Means when we will pretend like a dead, now what will hunter will think कि now they are dead and now he throw us. So the hunter would throw them on the grounds as they will be no use for him. And after the last geese fall on the ground, everybody will flew away. And what happened? Same things he has done. The means hunter arrived means he thought कि now they have been dead and he threw all the geese. At last he threw last geese and now after that they flew in the sky. So here, next day the hunter arrived and after seeing those dead, he threw them on the ground. Means when he get up, he find means he's searching where all the dead geese has gone. He thought कि now they are not on the ground means they have flew. The plan worked and all the geese flew together. It means what the wise geese has given advice, it is worked. Okay, so here according to this story, what is the moral? Ki we should always listen our elders. Elders always give right suggestion. Okay, here it is a very interesting, it is very thoughtful story.